Hey guys, Frank the Inflatable King here. Today we're going to be inflating this 6-foot inflatable Santa with mechanical reindeer ride. As you can see, I bought this one back in 2012. Very good inflatable, so let's get inflating. And that's the inflatable. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.